Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be seeing what is ChatGPT, how you can use it, and some example of it. Okay, because nowadays, if you see over the internet, everywhere ChatGPT is listed. So what it is, we will be checking that and how you can create an account and how you can start using it. So let's go to the browser to browse ChatGPT. So you can type ChatGPT. So here you will get first response, that is ChatGPT from OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company who created this chatbot. Okay, it is launched in November 2022. Okay, and it is something like it is having some AI APIs in it which will bring you the data for you. Whatever the question you will ask, you will get the response for that particular thing. So here you can see the ChatGPT. So it is a optimizing language model for the dialogues. So it is something OpenAI has trained a model called ChatGPT which interacts in a conversational way. So it is something like a question and answer session, okay, where you will be asking some question and in response to that you will be getting some answer to it. So you can ask any kind of question. We will be giving you a demo, okay, after this sign up process. So let's start with this try ChatGPT. Click on it. Okay, and you will get two options. So first one is like login and the second one is sign up. So once you will click on sign up, okay, it will give you a page to provide your email ID and checkbox, and after that okay, you will get a page to provide the password. So once you will provide those details, you will be able to create your account, and once your account is created, okay, you can click on the login button again, that is like from here ChatGPT, then you have to go to login. Okay, and then you will get a page to log in here. So here provide your email ID through which you have registered. Select that you are not a robot and say continue. Provide your password, whatever you have created for it, and say continue. So here, okay, you will get landed over a page, okay, where you will get some kind of home page, okay, which tells you what you are like on the ChatGPT. Okay, on the left hand side you will get an option to click on a new chat. Okay, so if you want to start a new conversation and left the previous conversation, you can click on new chat. Here you can click on the clear my chat conversation. So if you have done any conversation earlier, then if you want to clear that conversation, you can click clear conversation to clear your conversation. Then you can change the mode from here. You can say like light mode or dark mode. Okay, you can also open AI, the Discord channel. So from here you can open that channel as a community, and you can also update and log out from here. So let's come to this page. So here it is listing some example through which you can get started, then some capabilities of it and some limitations. So you can see like there are some capabilities of it. We can say it is remembering the data of the user conversation. So whatever the conversation we had done in a last day or maybe today or 1 month ago, all the conversations getting recorded for giving you the better answer. Okay, it allows user to provide follow-up correction. Okay, so if you are seeing something like the answer is not correct, if you have asked something, let's say like if you ask a mathematical question, let's say 9 plus 9, what it is, then if it is giving a wrong answer, then you can give a correct answer to make it correct. Okay, also if it is trained to decline the inappropriate request. So if you ask something which is inappropriate, it is trained in a way it will decline your request for that thing. There are some limitation. Okay, it is something like may occasionally generate incorrect information. So it may occasionally generate the incorrect information. So you need to make sure the information is coming is correct or not. Okay, because it is having a limited data in it right now, so it is not connected to internet also. So you need to make sure you are getting the correct answer and some other limitations. So let's not waste the time, quickly start with the examples. So we will be starting with a simple question, that is like a mathematical question, then health related question, then some GK related question and some other things. So let's start with the math questions. So we'll ask like what is 10 into 3. and hit enter. It will give you an answer for it. The result of 10 into 3 is 30. Okay, here there are some feedback icon is available. So if you are satisfied with the answer, you can say thumbs up. If you are not, then you can say not. Okay, then here from this button you can generate a response in a other way. Okay, like in a other language, we can say, kind of like, simply the previous one was, it is giving you a kind of sentence and with the answer. Now it is simply giving you the answer, and if you click on again, then it will give you in another way. Maybe it will give you a mathematical way, like 10 into 3 is 30. So here if you hover it, okay, you will get this thing, like what was the answer first time, then second time, and then third time. So this is how you will get the answers. Okay, you can also ask anything related to math, like 10 minus 6, and it will give you the answer is 4. Okay, now let's try some GK questions. So we can ask like who is the Prime Minister of India? Okay, so as we checked in the previous page, it is it was written like it is having a limited knowledge up to 2021. So after that it is not having that much knowledge, but it is still having some knowledge, and saying that it is like Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. However, my knowledge is cut off till 2021. It is possible that information might be outdated. So if it is something like it is not having latest information, then it will give you such kind of answer. So as we can see, like math, it is working fine. For GK, it is also working fine. Let's try some logical question in a way like what is the date today? So let's see if it is able to give the today's date. Yeah, so here it is able to give you the today's date, that is January 21st 2023. And if we ask time, so it is a like a language based model, so it is not having access to the current date and time. So it is not able to provide you the date and time right now, because it is not aware from which location, which regional country we are currently checking this thing. So it is not able to provide the correct data. So no worry, let's try some health related question. So we can say how to lose weight. So there are many ways to lose the weight. Okay, it is like getting the data from its database, and it is giving you some response related to that. Okay, so reducing this stress, okay, reducing stress through mindfulness practice, and some other points. It is giving you the answer. Okay, it is also having a capability of remembering what it is telling you. So if you ask like for first point, okay, what you need to do exactly, then you can ask what I have to do for first point, please explain, you can say, and question mark. So the first point is losing weight effectively is to eat a healthy balanced diet. So it is giving you the more detailed thing about the first point. Okay, so it is something like it is having a record of the conversation, what it is telling you, and if you ask about that thing later after some time, okay, it will be able to give you the answer also. Now let's try something like we can say stop generating, or we can wait for it to get it completed. Next I will be asking, I want to organize a party tonight for birthday. So it is giving you, okay, then we will be asking like make a guest list. Okay, what you have to do, okay, choose a venue. Okay, that is the main thing. Every time you have to make sure you are not repeating that thing. Then set a budget, okay, of like how much amount you need to spend on it. Then plan the menu, okay, whatever you want to get the food. Okay, then send out the invitations also. Okay, that is also important to keep the that thing. Then plan the activity, whatever you will be doing on that birthday party. Okay, make a to-do list. Okay, what the things you have to do, and remember everything. And then last, enjoy the party. So it is something a very quick and a good answer for you. Okay, so you don't have to like think of anything, just give your question here and it will give you the answer. Okay, and let's try something else now. Let's try something related to like if I want to write an essay, so I'll say like write a essay for me on Diwali. Okay, so let's say, yeah, so it is able to identify and it is able to give you the answer for that also. So it is like giving you the whole kind of thing. Okay, it is writing your essay for you, so like child can use it to get that thing done very smartly. Okay, they can just simply ask the question, get the response, copy paste in a Word file and submit it. Okay, now let's stop this because it will be keep on generating the thing. It is an essay. Now let's try to ask something, let's say computer related thing. So what is RAM? Okay, so it is telling you like what is RAM. RAM is random access memory, and it is whatever it is giving you the answer for it. So as you can see here, okay, this is having a too much capabilities and too much things here. Okay, and if you also want to do some programming thing, you need to ask something related to programming, you can ask the things. Okay, you can also reset the chat. Okay, if you want to like how do I make a HTTP request in a JavaScript, you can just do that and it will give you the answer. So it is having too much capabilities in it, so you can try on it. Okay, just log in it and try this thing, and then you will be amazed with the features. So that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks.